Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 34. We're currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're spending time in Washington Square Park before beginning a short walk down Stockton Street. Washington Square has been at the heart of North Beach since the mid-1800s, and it remains one of the most welcoming public spaces in the city. Spread out over a full city block, the park is framed by tall trees and crisscrossed by walking paths that locals use every day. It's the kind of place where you'll see people stretch out on the grass with a book, groups gathering for Tai Chi in the mornings, or children chasing pigeons near the fountains. At the eastern end of the park rises the beautiful St. Peter's and Paul Church, its spires visible from almost every corner. The church provides a striking background for the park and gives the square its distinct personality. Whether you're here for a festival, a picnic, or just a few quiet moments, this pairing of open green space and dramatic architecture makes Washington Square unforgettable. The park is also surrounded by cafes and bakeries, so it's common to see people strolling in with coffee cups or sandwiches to enjoy a casual lunch outdoors. Over the years, it has become both a neighborhood gathering place and a stopping point for visitors who want to experience North Beach's sense of community. From here, we'll begin walking down Stockton Street, leaving the square behind us. The slope leads gently downhill, and you can feel the transition as the character of the city starts to shift. We won't go too far today, as we'll explore more in upcoming episodes. But for now, it's enough to enjoy this moment of moving on from the calm greenery of Washington Square and heading into the busiest streets of San Francisco.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.